Good morning, guys. This is day 3 of the ultimate summer trip with cats. We just opened the cage where we put them in for the night. We just put them in there so they won't scratch their way out of the tent while we sleep. So last night there was about 8 new cars, I think. They just pulled in and set camp. Yesterday we were the only ones here. Now there's a whole neighborhood of tents probably.
Late.
Yeah, I don't get how they set it up at night. It's gonna be way harder than how we set it up, and it was kind of hard for us. But these people might be experienced. I don't know. So yeah, so I gotta say.
Put back already the butter.
Right now we're going to Custer State Park. We're gonna do the wildlife loop. Around here. We of course brought the cats. Why wouldn't we? So yeah. Currently on the wildlife loop right now. For starters, we found 2 animals already. We actually have them in our back seat. So let's go find some more.
It's a deer.
Oh, it's a deer?
Yeah.
I think it's a gazelle.
Look at that guy. He's turning. He's turning.
Alright guys, just got back from the wildlife loop. Say hi, Mom. Cats did not notice any animals. For the first 30 minutes, there were no animals at all. Just 1 deer. But then we saw a herd of buffalo, which was nice. And then saw a bunch of more buffalo out of the park. So that kind of made up for that. And now we're heading to Sullivan Lake. So we're at Sullivan Lake now. Look at this. I'm on a kayak, if you haven't already noticed. I'm gonna be on this for about an hour. Mom is back at shore chilling because she does not want to kayak, and she has to check on the cats too. So yeah, I'll go kayak. Look what we stumbled upon in this trail. We came through this narrow hole, this narrow rocks over here. Ooh. Alright guys, just got back to the camp. Oh, mom's sleeping. Yeah, she's taking a nap. So I gotta be quiet. We kind of rearranged the tent, as you can see. And we moved it like a bit. So yeah, I'm not gonna record for any longer because I don't want to disturb. So y'all might be wondering, why am I out here right now? It's because I was kind of bored in the tent, right over there. Wait, am I pointing right? There you go. Bingo. Yeah, so, yeah, I decided to like walk the entire campsite and give y'all a tour. So, here it is. Alright, so I kind of walked back to like the edge of the camp just to give y'all this tour. So, because like, it kind of goes into slither, so like, anyways, first up is Sunnyside, home of the RVs. But like living conditions kind of in the mid. Not too high, not too low. And not too like, yeah. You get what I'm saying, right? Alright, next up on the tour, we got Tentville. This is the absolute bare minimum you can get at this camp. Because there's no electricity. All you get is a plot of land, a little bit of shade, and a fire, and a table. That's all you get. So this area I like to call E-Camp. This is slightly above the other camps down there. So you get slightly better standard of living. Because you got electricity, and we're close to a shower, right over there. Shower, laundry. So this is basically like the lower middle, like the lower middle class of the camp. Up here is the richest part of this camp world. These is Old Cabin Town. They got premium access to the swimming pool. Also get showers. Get premium access to ice and firewood over there. And they get to get help first from the front desk. Also, they get a pretty good view over here of the sign and the flag. These guys are like the Elon Musk and the Jeff Bezos of this camp. Of course, the CEOs live in that. That over there is smaller RV land. That is middle class. The other one was upper middle class. I don't want to video that much because there's only 2 people there and they could be looking at me. So on the final stop of the tour, I like to call this place West Tentville. It's basically like Tentville, but a little bit out west. You get me? Basically same living conditions, little bit more dangerous. Like when I say danger, I mean like a mountain lion attacking you, kind of danger. So yeah, that concludes my extravagant tour of this place. So I'm gonna find something else to do now. You know what? I think I found my thing to do. I'm gonna climb up that thing. I wanna see what's up there. So I just found a new part of the tour. This isn't the end after all. I call this Cabinly Hills. The rich of the rich. You know how I said those guys were the Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos of this camp? Well, I was wrong. These guys are. Bro, that thing's literally the size of the first floor of my house. Possibly bigger. Nah, not bigger. Not that, bro. Anyways, I really hope that's actually the end of the tour. But this is the highest point of the camp. Mount Shed. Yes, that's the name. Don't judge it. Well, I'm heading back to camp with this gorgeous view over here. Look at this. I'm glad I climbed up that hill. So, we're going somewhere, obviously, and that's somewhere we may or may not have been to before. So, and in a moment, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Well, y'all probably know where we're at right now. I never knew Mount Rushmore had like a whole cafeteria. So just waiting for our food and yep. First tried the chicken tenders of Mount Rushmore.
We left our cat in the parking lot. So it's gonna rain. I'm gonna go there because I rolled down a little bit.
For the kitty.
Yeah. I think it's okay.
Pretty good.
I think they like their better because I don't wanna they get stressed.
They kind of like this. Mixed with the fried.
They are kind of like tired today.
Like fun, guys.
It's
So
good.
yummy, baby. Thank you, Lord.
8 out of 10.
The ice cream.
We're on our way to the light show. They're gonna illuminate that any second now. Got my ice cream. Yeah, she's making her own video too. We're going down the Avenue of Flags right now. And I got my ice cream, so it's all gonna be good.
If you need a bit more space, the audio of this evening's program can be heard all along the avenue. So thank you. We'll start up in just a moment.
No, I'm gonna.
Because every day, the people of the United States of America, through our vision, determination, and hard work, do extraordinary things.
Back from the lighting ceremony. Hi, Mom. Mom. Hi. Yep. As you can see, the faces are illuminated. And it's pretty fun. So, we made it back to camp from the light show at Mount Rushmore. Pretty much getting ready to go to bed now. It's like, I don't know. Maybe not. But it's around 10 p.m. right now, so I'll just tell you guys good night and see you tomorrow.